The global chip shortage crisis that started after the pandemic is still impacting the world's greatest manufacturers. Most industries around the world which manufactures electronic or software-equipped gadgets have either decreased their production scale or are planning to temporarily shut down their manufacturing facilities. And this panic is all because of the shortage of this small chip. So what actually is this chip? And why is there a global chip shortage? A computer chip, also called as semiconductors, is an electronic circuit that are used to run software in computers. Modern cars, home appliances, smartphones, and gaming consoles are few examples which rely on these semiconductor chips to run. When the COVID-19 and subsequent lockdowns hit the world, people stopped shopping and the factories got closed. The demand for electronic devices surged as people started working from home. But due to the broken supply chains around the world, the demands were unable to fulfilled. Also, due to Trump's trade war with China, major US companies couldn't buy chips from some of the China's largest chip manufacturers like SMC. This unprecedented shortage crisis has affected all the sectors from automobile, home appliances to smartphones and gaming consoles, to name a few. Repercussions? Since automobiles have become increasingly dependent on these semiconductor chips, this has compelled the giants like Volkswagen, Toyota Motor Corp, Nissan, BMW, etc. to decrease their scale of production to a staggering degree. Like Toyota is cutting its global production by 40%. Nissan is leaving navigation systems which rely on these semiconductor chips. Renault has stopped offering an oversized digital screen behind the steering wheels. Even in India, the passenger car sales fell almost by 14% in August. Auto giants of India like Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki and Mahindra are planning to cut down their production scale up to 60%. With the auto giants like MG and Ford leaving India, global chip shortage could be blamed. Reliance Jio has delayed the launch of its recently announced ultra-affordable smartphone JioPhone Next till Diwali due to chip shortage. Samsung and iPhone delayed their flagship smartphones and tablet series till next year. Major chip manufacturer Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, whose clients include Apple and Qualcomm, has planned to hike the chip price, which would result in the increased price of smartphones and computers from next year. Ever wondered why PlayStation 5 and Xbox are missing from the stores? Well, global chip shortage is the reason. Since the tech giants like TSMC, Nvidia and Intel has already said that the global chip shortage may continue till 2023, the solution to this crisis is months away. Till then, it's best to stick with your old cars, cell phones or other gadgets for a while longer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you like the video.